Do you want to know how to connect Phantom Wallet to your DEXScreener? Here's the step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first, you need to go to your Phantom Wallet and make sure that you already go to your account section, which is right here, located at the top left corner of your screen. And as you can see, it is the manage your wallet, so you will see the pencil icon right there. Just click on it and click on the account addresses. You will see the Solana right there, which is you can also copy its wallet address or even the QR code of it. Just save it for the future references. And next, you need to go to the DEX screener. Once you are in, you need to go to the menu located at the navigation bar right there, and you will see my account. And once you click on it, you will see the connect wallet option. Once you connect the wallet, you will have a few options of which wallet you wanted to connect. Just simply select the all wallets, and you cannot simply type for the phantom wallet right here because it is not available. So you should do, or you should more likely use this scan logo right there at the top right corner, and you have to scan this wallet from your phantom wallet. So that's how you connect your phantom wallet to your DEX screener.